Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing mixed on Tuesday. Shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, tech hardware and equipment, as well as software and services sectors, they all gained momentum, while shares in consumer durables and apparel, food, beverage and tobacco, as well as food and staples retailing sectors, they all closed lower. On the economic docket market, U.S. manufacturing PMI improving to 56.5 in April, in line with expectations. ISM manufacturing falling to 57.3 in April, construction spending falling by 1.7% month over month, while advancers, they were ahead of decliners. 54% of SP 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Apple unveiling second quarter diluted EPS of $2.73 versus $2.10 1 year ago, on revenue up 15.5% year over year to $61.1 billion. T-Mobile US announcing that first quarter EPS declined 2.5% year over year to 78 cents on revenue up 8.8% to $10.46 billion. Now, turning overseas. Asian markets mostly down today. The Nikkei down 0.16%. The Hang Seng down 0.25%. China's CSI 300 up 0.18%, but South Korea's Kospi down 0.39%. European markets edging higher, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. In terms of expectations today, MasterCard first quarter EPS seen at $1.24 on sales of approximately $3.2 billion. CVS Health first quarter EPS seen at $1.41, while Kraft Heinz first quarter EPS seen at 82 cents. On the economic docket today, 8:15 in the morning, we have the April ADP employment change figures, and 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we have the May 2nd FOMC rate decision on its high bound range, expectations calling for 1.75% to not change. Now, the SP 500, the upside prevails for that market, and that's in focus as the relative strength index is bullish and calls for further upside. Long positions above 2634 are favored, with targets at 2665 and 2675 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, sees the upside prevail, and lastly, the Dow Jones sees the bias remain bullish.